So we have made it to Scotland. Heejin's back's hurting her, so she won't be coming with us today. But we're in Greenock, Scotland. It's about a 45-minute drive to Glasgow. We're gonna do a Stirling Castle tour and head out there. It's about an hour and 15-minute drive. So we're gonna check out Greenock before we head out. So let's go check it out. How cool is that to be greeted by a bagpiper dressed in the full garb? It's really cool. I like Scotland. We've been to Edinburgh, so if you are going to Edinburgh, look for that video. But Scotland is where my heritage is from. Scotland, England, Germany, and Greece. So we're going to go to half of my heritage on this trip, so I'm pretty excited about it. So it's pretty interesting because you have like a really old town over on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, and there's a bunch of new apartments and things like that. So it's nice to see new and old. Hopefully we won't have to walk too far to get into town. They have something called the Clyde Flyer, and it's $10 adult for a round trip to get to Glasgow. So it'll drop you off and pick you up right outside of the cruise terminal, and it's included with your Clyde Flyer cruise ticket, a handy shuttle to make it easy to get into and from Glasgow. I wish I had time to go to Glasgow, but with going to Stirling Castle, we do not have enough time today to make it to Glasgow and back. It's about a 45-minute drive, and I have 2 hours before I have to go back to the ship to get ready for our excursion to the castle. So won't be able to go to Glasgow, so maybe next time, but I'm going to show you some of Greenock before we head out to the castle. So I am standing in the middle of an intersection, right off the sidewalk, but it says it's the former site of Old West Kirk and the first burial place of Burns Highland Mary. I'm gonna have to Google that because I don't know who that is, but here's the place where she was buried. Interesting sign. I can hear bagpipes playing in the background, like in town, so I guess they got some bagpipers going around there. But they got all these cool signs. So shop town centers this way. There's a fire rescue museum, so I'm going to see if that's open, because being a firefighter, that'd be pretty cool. And they have a coastal trail along the waterfront, so you go that way. Now, just a safety tip, in Scotland, it's just like England. They drive on the wrong side of the road. So for us Americans, we need to look right before we look left. Right behind me is the Tesco, the grocery store. On the other side is the port. If you come on over here, there is an ATM, a TSB ATM, and you can pull out pounds for free. There's no cost at all, no conversion fee, no nothing. I pulled out 200 or 100 pounds, and not even an ATM fee. So if you need some pounds while you're here, this is where I would recommend going. Also across the street from the Tesco is the Oak Mall. So it's a legit mall. I'm going to go in there in a little bit because Pandora opens at 10 o'clock and he usually collects Pandora charms. So I'm going to go see if I can find a Scottish one for her because she doesn't have one from Scotland yet. The building right behind me is the town central library. None of these buildings have the age on them, so I don't know how old they are, but as you can tell, they're quite old. Just kind of give you a reference point. So right there is a cruise ship. You got the Tesco's right there, the mall's right there. There's a KFC right next to the cruise terminal right there. The bathroom is right over there by the mall. So everything's very centrally located off of the cruise port. It looks like they only open the museums based off of the cruise ships because they have right here Tuesday the 6th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Jewel of the Seas. So that's what we're on. But they have all the other cruise ships here as well. So that's pretty cool that they open it up along the cruise ship lines. The Fire Rescue Museum, it opens at 10, but it looks like it was actually an old fire station, you know, with a horse and buggy type fire system. I don't see a fire truck fitting in there anymore. That's probably why they use it as a museum. That's pretty cool. So they open at 10, Pandora opens at 10, so I'm going to go hit Pandora first and then come over here to the museum. And because I always got to take care of the wife first, right? Happy life, or happy wife, happy life, right? Decent mall. They got several cell phone stores if you need something for your cell phone, a couple grocery stores, a pharmacy, things like that. If you're looking for souvenirs, there's a couple places to get souvenirs, but the selection is very small. So you can tell it's not very touristy town, except for when the cruise ship comes in, and the cruise ship's only here because it's shuttling people to Glasgow. So not truly a touristy town. So if you're just hanging out in town, just keep that in mind.